St. Paul's Higher Secondary School in Marbisu marked its Platinum Jubilee on the 30th of October 2024 with an inaugural celebration attended by prominent leaders and community members. Rajya Sabha MP Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi graced the event as the chief guest, while Mawphlang MLA Mathew Beyondstar Kurbah and the Vicar General of the Shillong Archdiocese, Reverend Father Richard Majaw, joined as guests of honor. Former MP Vincent H attended as a special guest along with MDC of the area Lamphrang Blah. The gathering saw participation from local Dorbar Shnong members, school faculty, students, alumni and parents celebrating this milestone together.
Let us all give a big hand for Sir.
Hereby declare the opening ceremony of the Platinum Jubilee celebration of St. Paul High Secondary School, Marbisu. Thank you.
Let us give a round of applause. Thank you so much, sir, and thank you, Father.
Seems like yesterday as our souls began to prepare. The memories we made, the best we had to share. Years flew by, the best of everything, so little time.
Ngakli fadar meneng ong ba kidang hikai ke moral science. Namar ngan ong ipi ngadon uksiu. Ngada perkade kumnuan pa school hukum gini ke pertai. Ngakan mau hi ke school mission. Namar ke moral science. Kamtam hagni ke pertai ke bang im mente. Dang ong ma pala mo drugs nang ta kini ke single mothers. Ngalap ba kijing hikai. Ban tip ban itho yo blay kedai ka way ka ban yarap ban tay mdai tang ngi marway raiwat ka jaj ban riu ko jongi te ngonong ipi ba ngada kan mau ba ha ka to ko por ngala hikai Sinot College I la defikan mau principal yang St Anthony's College Father Mabele si pau khat san snemen swang atrai ila perkhat ek autonomous college hak to ko por ki breu ki persha henrei ngango ong Father Mavele de visionary menta ke government ko menta kala encourage si autonomous college ki missionary ki jongi mdei tangba ki dedicate ki jing im ki jongki hak jo ko por ki lai ki visionary ki bi i jangai nak menta kini riba ka jaj ban riu jongi